Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to erase cell border in Microsoft Excel. So firstly guys, you have to select, for example, if you have the borders and you want to erase borders. So select here, click on this drop down and click on this erase border. Now you can erase border like this. And to erase borders from, and if you want to remove, guys, if you need to erase borders, hold one. So select all borders like this. Click anywhere. So this is the way guys you can erase border in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.